Welcome to episode 6 of Industrial Robot Tutorial. Today we will talk about work object frame. If you guys don't have the idea about frames, you can watch episode 4 where we have talked about different frames which are used in robotics. We know that work object has two divisions. One is user frame and another one is object frame. In this video we will basically talk about only user frame. About the object frame, I think it is not the right time to talk about now. In future, some other videos, I will try to show you how the object frame works. But in this video, we will only talk about the user frame. So let's start. So this is the last scene where I have ended the episode 5. I will start from here. So first, I will take the robot into the home position. I don't need this cone. I will need a table. I will start flex pendant, since in real life when you will work with real robot, obviously this work object frame data or TCP data you will take through the flex pendant. So I will show you through the flex pendant how to fix the work object, and also I will show you how to fix it through simulation software also. So this is an old program. I will remove it. So whenever you want to edit anything in flex pendant, you need to move to manual. Otherwise, for example, if you go like editor, you will see these options are not coming because this is in automatic. So you have to fix it in manual. You have to switch on, then you can edit, select range, delete, yes. You can also delete this. I think you can also so I will go to the jogging work object, new work object 1, or if you want to change it like table, now you select it and define. Then you will see user method and object method. So if you want to use object method, you have to change it, and since we will only work with the user method, we will only focus on here. So now we have to take 3 values from the robot. So you can use controller, I told before that it's little bit tough when you are using flex pendant to simulation software, but in real life it's 1,000 times easier. So what I'm gonna do, I will since it's a little bit tough to do like this, so I will use jog joint. and then modify. Second point I will take here, modify, and third point I will take here. It doesn't need to be same, it doesn't need to be equal distance. You just need to take 3 points. Okay, so if you notice, our work object is here. I think if you, okay, I think I did something wrong, but it's okay. You can also edit it like this. If you go to path, you can it's not updated yet, so synchronized station, you have it here. So you can actually edit it like this. Modify the you can modify the position like by moving it in simulation software. You can also rotate like 90 degree in okay. You can also edit it like this. Now I want to show you something. So if I take it here, and so I will go jogging and check, yeah, work object table is selected, tool guard is selected also. Now I will go to the editor and so I will add an instruction, move L below. So if you select it, if you try to look at the values, is saying 24.22, 19.02 and minus 3.01. So basically we took the point here and it's close to the work object, the data is becoming 0. So this is the advantage of work object when you work with different simulation. So it actually, it makes easier the calculation. For example, when you are working with a single robot in different places, so you know the robot uses kinematics to calculate. So if we use work object, it will be easier for a robot to calculate data, because on that time robot doesn't need to calculate everything from the base frame or wall frame. If you create the work object frame, robot can easily use that frame as reference and can start to calculate the data from that point, and the process will become faster. So this is how you fix the work object data from the flex pendant. Now I will show you how you can do the same thing from the simulation software. So if you go here and delete I delete that one. So I take the robot to the home position. If you press right click, you have create work object. Go to user frame, then you have frame by points, 3 point. Select this, same surface selection. First take the snap end, so you need to select it here, snap end, then go to the midpoint. So if you notice here, our work object is ready here. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create an path. If you remember, I showed you how to make path directly from here. Like if you go main, insert move instruction, work object 1, target 10. So I'll select snap end. One and 2 and create. Rotate 90 Y. Yes. This okay, this is enough. I want to show something else. I think for that is enough. So now if you synchronize with the rapid, now if we go to the rapid, notice here the target 10 is showing 0 0 0. The robot target is exactly here in the midpoint of the work object. So that's why here, like if we can select it, I think you can see it here. So the midpoint is here. That's why the data is showing us 0 0 0 0. So that's how it works. I think later when we will work with this work object, TCP frame, and also other frame, I think it will be easier for you to understand. So I will end this video here. I hope you guys are having fun if you guys have any question, don't hesitate to send me an email. My email address is written in the description. I will try my best to come fast with more videos. Till that, take care and goodbye. Thank you.